Imagine you have a digital assistant. You ask it a question, and it gives you an answer. That's a chatbot. Now, imagine you give that same assistant a goal, like, book me a flight to Tokyo under $800. And it goes out, searches the web, compares prices, and actually completes the purchase for you. That is an AI agent. Today, we're breaking down the fundamental shift from chat to ACT. Chatbots, like the early versions of ChatGPT, are primarily large language models designed for conversation. They are reactive. They wait for your prompt, process information, and generate text. They are excellent for brainstorming, but they live inside a box. They can talk about the world, but they cannot change it. AI agents are the next evolution. While they use LLMs as their brain, they are equipped with tools and autonomy. An agent doesn't just talk. It executes, can access the internet, use software, and even write code. Most importantly, agents are proactive. They break complex goals into tasks and work until the job is done. The difference comes down to three things: agency, tool use, and reasoning. Chatbots need a prompt for every step. Agents take one goal and figure out the steps themselves. Chatbots are limited to text. Agents use browsers and APIs. Chatbots predict words. Agents plan and self-correct. For businesses, this is the difference between a knowledge base and a digital employee. A chatbot tells a customer where their package is. An AI agent tracks it, finds the delay, emails the carrier, and solves the problem, all without you. This is what we build at Agentic Core AI. The era of chatting is over. We are entering the era of agentic action. Subscribe for more. Ready to scale? Comment pod below, and let's build your first Agentic Pod.